Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free WordPress website with free hosting. So free hosting is available if you use Pantheon. So it's pantheon.io and basically what it does, as you can see, you can experience everything on one platform. So it's integrated with WordPress. Now, to get started, you can start for free. There are some pricing plans which we can discuss. But basically, for individuals, there is a free plan. So let's start with this one. Now you want to create a free account. You can connect with Google or you can enter it right here. So let's do that. Now, when you sign in, basically they pop up this, let's create your site. So you want to actually click create site. And here you want to connect with WordPress. As you can see, what kind of site, so you can actually click WordPress and create a site right here. Now you want to name your Pantheon site. So let's name it something like that. Choose a region and let's click continue. Now you will have to wait a little bit because it's deploying WordPress, but basically it will load up after some time. Now, as you can see, it has been completed and you click visit Pantheon site dashboard. So this is where you can take a quick tour if you want to. Let's not do that. Basically, this is where you can start doing your website. Now you go ahead and visit deployment site right here, and you will basically continue, and you will enter the information they need. And now you are logged into your WordPress, which you have created. So what you want to do now is go to Appearance and Themes, and here you will choose your site's theme. So for example, let's choose this one, and you can actually update it and activate it and customize it right here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do this. You edit everything you want, and after that, publish your website, and that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.